Trees, the way they fall sometimes, you think, boy, am I living right? Because if it just turned just a little bit this way, it might have taken out a house. People are describing it as a war zone out there. Is that how you would categorize it?
You know what? It really is. And now I'm kind of wondering if I even want to come and see my house because we're having to take so many detours. And there was actually a Centerpoint guy trying to saw the tree and get the limbs cut and get it out of the way, but that's not going to happen for a while.